जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। नंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। नंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय माधव कुंज बिहारी। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय नंदगांव की। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे, कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे नित्यानंद 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 नित्यानंद, नित्यानंद 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 नित्यानंद, गौरांग 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 गौरांग, गौरांग 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 गौरांग, हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, निताई गौर, जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम, जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड, राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड, जय श्याम कुंड, जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे, जय राधा गोपीनाथ राधे, जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे, जय राधा दामोदर राधे, राधे 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 राधे, जय गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा, गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा, गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु, जय षडगो स्वामी जय षडगो स्वामी, षडगो स्वामी जय षडगो स्वामी, जय कृष्णदास कविराज कृष्णदास कविराज कृष्णदास कविराज, जय कृष्णदास कविराज, जय भक्ति विनोद भक्ति विनोद भक्ति विनोद जय भक्ति विनोद जय गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर जय भक्ति सिद्धांत जय भक्ति सिद्धांत भक्ति सिद्धांत जय भक्ति सिद्धांत भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद 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 जय 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 गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव 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 श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन महायज्ञ की जय। श्री वृंदा देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री गौड़िया परंपरा की जय। श्री नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरी गोवर्धन की जय। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की जय। श्री कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय। श्री समावेत भक्त वृंद की जय। All glories to the assembled devotees, to assembled. All glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Yatha Radha Priya Vishnu Tasya Kundam Priyam Tatha सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि नाजीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम् तप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये गौरांग चरणाम्भोज मकरंद मधुव्रतः साधनेन विना राधाम कृष्णं प्राप्यसि निश्चितम् अवतीर्णे गौरचंद्रे विस्तीर्णे प्रेम सागरे सुप्रकाशित रत्नौघे यो दीनो दीन एव सः नित्यानन्दम् अहं नौमि सर्वानन्दकरं परम् हरिनामप्रदं देवम् अवधूत शिरोमणिम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला चैप्टर 4 वर्स नंबर 38। कोण कारणे जबे हैल अवतारमो युग धर्म काल हैल से काले मिलो। दुई हेतु अवतारी लना भक्तगण आपने आस्वादे प्रेम नाम संकीर्तन। When the avatari Krishna wanted to come again in Kali Yuga, in the Pratham Sandhya of Kali Yuga, every Yuga has a Sandhya. This Sandhya is made up of around 5,000 years, 5 to 10,000 years. The first part of Kali Yuga is known one Sandhya. The last part of Kali Yuga is one Sandhya. The middle part of Kali Yuga is Sandhya. There are 3 Sandhyas in the day. So like that. Every Yuga also has a Sandhya. So in the Prathama Sandhyayam, Avtarishyami Sachi Sutehe. In the first Sandhya of Kali Yuga, after 4,500 years have passed, I will come. Krishna decided to come again, and at the same time, the time of the Yuga avatar also became one. So because of these 2 purposes, Krishna came along with his associates. His Nitya Siddha associates from Vraj to distribute Prem Nama Sankirtan. See, this is very, very rare, because when Radha and Krishna come, they are manjaris, they are sakhis and gopis. They are very, very rare, they are hidden. Not everybody, there is no description, so much description even in the Bhagavatam, because these are confidential pastimes. So these Leelas are kept very rare. Only the Goswamis have revealed it to us. But in Kali Yuga, all these gopis and sakhis and manjaris, they came in front of us as Goswamis. Very merciful. They appeared in the vision, in front of the vision of all the conditioned souls. The gopis, the sakhis, conditioned souls are not able to see them. But in Kali Yuga, Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, they are the most merciful. That's why Narottam Das Thakur says, Gaurangero Sangi Gone Nitya Siddha Kori Mane. Sangi Gone Nitya Siddha Kori. Gaurangero Sangi Gone Nitya Siddha Kori Mane. Nitya Siddha Kori. Gaurangero Sangi Gone Nitya Siddha Kori Mane. Gaurangero Sangi Shei Jai Brajendra Sutta Pa. If you have faith that Gauranga's associates are Nitya Siddhas, they are all the Sakhis, they are all the Gopis, they are all the associates in Vatsalya, in Sakhya, from Braj. Plus Gauranga's associates also come from Ram Leela, from Vaikuntha Leela, from Dwarka Leela. Gauranga's associates have come from all Leelas. That is a specialty of Gauranga's pastimes. That all the associates in his different Nitya forms, in the spiritual world, in the Chit Shakti, he has given them entry into Gaur Leela. He has raised them. So it is not necessary that all Gauranga's associates are in Madhurya. It is not necessary that all Gauranga's associates are Manjaris. Gauranga's associates are from different rasas. From Shanta Rasa to Vamshi Vadandas Thakur in Mayapur, he was in Shanta Rasa. He was the flute of Krishna. Vamshi, he appeared as the servant of Sachi Mata. So the associates can come in any form, any rasa. But he gave them entry into Vraj Rasa by Harinam, by Prem Nama Sankirtan. Shei Dware Achandale Kirtano Sanchare Nama Prema Mala Gathi Paraila Sansare. Eizare Achandale Kirtano Samchare Kirtana Sanchare Nama Prema Mala Gathi Paraila Samsare. Beautiful classic verses from Chaitanya Charitamrita. To introduce Prem Nama Sankirtan, Lord Gaura Sundar infused Sankirtan into the bodies of even Chandals, in the bodies of even meat eaters. He infused them with Kirtan, and he made himself, he strung a necklace of Nam Prem Mala. Gauranga's specialty is Nama Prem Mala. He made a mala of Nama Prem, and he is the whole world he is making it wear this Nama Prem mala. God himself has become a mala maker. He is making a mala for all of us. Nama Prema mala, which is by his own love. এই মতো ভক্তি ভাব করি অঙ্গীকার, ভক্ত ভাব করি আপনি আচরি ভক্তি করিলা প্রচার। चरी भक्ति करिला प्रचार. All of you know in Chaitanya Mangal, Rukmini was sitting in the lap of Krishna, she was massaging the lotus feet of Krishna. Then she started crying. Krishna said, Rukmini, why are you crying? Rukmini said, Krishna, you know everything, but you can't understand why I am crying. This is the power of bhakti. By serving you, what are the moods going on in the heart of your devotees? It's difficult for even you to understand. So Krishna says, Rukmini, what should I do? Rukmini said, only two personalities understand bhakti. One is Radharani and one is me. If you want to understand bhakti, you take Radha Bhav. Without taking Radha Bhav, you will never be able to understand Bhakta Bhav. Because in Radha Bhav, all the Bhakta Bhav is there. All the rasas, all the bhaktas from all the rasas, their bhav is there in Radha Bhav. Because Radharani is the Ladini Shakti, the personification of Krishna's Prema Vikar. So, take it. So Krishna accepted this. Narad Muni also came at the same time. Krishna took the Bhakta Bhav and then he started practicing devotional service by his example. He is preaching to the world. Gauranga Mahaprabhu's main characteristic is Apani Acharimu Prabhu Jive Rashikha. केह करे आचार ना करे प्रचार, केह करे प्रचार ना करे आचार. तुमी करह तुई कार्य, तुमी जगतेर गुरु, तुमी सर्व आर्य. He preached by two things, by his example. He was relishing the name Prem Naam at every moment, and at the same time he was preaching. He made this Naam Prem Mala and he was distributing it. Dasya Sakya Vatsalya Araje Shringar, चारी प्रेम चतुर्विधा भक्त आधार. निज निज भाव सबे श्रेष्ठ करी माने, भाव सबे श्रेष्ठ निज भावे करे कृष्ण सुख आस्वादने. তটস্থ হইয়া মনে বিচার যদি করি, সবে রস হইতে শৃঙ্গারে অধিক মাধুরী। Beautiful. This kind of verses can only be written by a devotee in Madhura Ras, like Kasturi Manjari. Kasturi Manjari is none other than Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. He says that Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya and Shringar, these four are the foundation of rasa in the hearts of Krishna's devotees. And each devotee considers their rasa as the topmost. If a devotee in Dasya ras, that devotee is satisfied with that seva. If the devotee is in Vatsalya, the devotee is satisfied. The devotee doesn't want to leave one's rasa. If we see in Brihad Bhagavatamrit, the Gopakumar was not satisfied until he attained Sakhya. He went to Ayodhya, he went to Dwarka, he went to Vaikuntha. He relished all, he understood all kinds of relationships, but he was not satisfied. I want more. He was praying to Ram to please make me a Sakha of Krishna. He was praying to Narayan. So every soul, every jiva is fully satisfied in one's own rasa. And situated in one's own rasa, that jiva experiences, relishes Krishna Sukha, Krishna Sukha Asvadan, association with Krishna, pastimes with Krishna, established in one's own rasa. But if you consider neutrally, with a neutral mind and a neutral heart, you will find that among all rasas, Shringar rasa is the sweetest. Among all these four rasas, Shringar ras is the sweetest of all rasas. To prove this, Krishnadas Kaviraj is quoting from Rupa Goswami's Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 2.5.38. Yathottaram asau swad visheshollasamayi api ratirvasnaya swadvi bhasate kapi kasyach. Increasing love is experienced in various tastes, one above another. But that love which has the highest taste in gradual succession of desire manifests itself in the form of conjugal love. Madhurya ras is the topmost. Ujjvala ras. That is what Sri Gaurasundar has come to give to this world. But that does not mean that he cannot give other rasas. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it says Achirat, Chiram, Achirat. Chiram means for a long time this rasa has not been given, and he is giving this rasa to, he is distributing this rasa. Unnata jwala rasam swabhakti shriyam anarpita charim chirat karunayavati na kalau. In 8.64 billion years, in one day of Brahma, this Madhur Ras is not given. It is given only once. In one day of Brahma. It is so rare. Achiram, Chirat. Gaur Hari, Gaur Sundar comes only once. Like Krishna. In the 28th Kali Yuga of the 7th Manvantara of one day of Brahma, and he gives this Madhura Ras. Samarpayitu unno Jalaras Swabhakti Shriyam. The treasure of this Unnojjala Ras, the samagri, the ingredients, which include our Ekadash Bhav, which include our Siddha Deha, everything is given by Gaur Sundar in the form of Prem Naam, which has never been given before. Ataiva madhur ras kahi tar naam स्वकिया परकिया भावे द्विवेद samsthan. In Jaiva Dharma, Bhaktivinoda Thakur mentions interesting thing. He says that Madhurya is divided into two. Madhura Ras and Audarya Ras. And when Krishna's comes, when the Madhura Ras is prominent, that form becomes Shyam Sundar. When Audarya becomes prominent, that form becomes Gaur Sundar. Both are the same personalities. There is one Madhurya, but it manifests in Madhura and Audarya. Two kinds. As Shyam Sundar, he is dancing with the gopis in Vraj, and as Gaur Sundar, he is dancing with the same gopis in male forms. In Nama Sankirtan, both the Leelas are nourishing each other simultaneously. By doing Gaur Bhajan, actually you are worshipping Krishna. And by doing Krishna Bhajan, you are worshipping Gaur. There is no difference. Those who say that Radha Krishna came first, then Gauranga came. Or those who say that Gauranga came first, then Radha Krishna came. Both are incorrect. Both the Leelas are simultaneous. They are two different characteristics of the Supreme Lord. And Madhura Ras itself is divided into two, Swakiya Bhav and Parakiya Bhav. Swakiya Bhav is the love of the queens in Dwarka, the Mahishis. There is no so much excitement in Swakiya as Parkiya. Because in Parkiya there is always union and there is always separation. It is unwedded love, unwedded conjugal mood. Krishna expands into many forms, simultaneous forms in all the palaces in Dwarka. So the queens, for them to feel separation is a little difficult because Krishna is always with them. द्वारका में वियोग इतना जल्दी नहीं होता. But Parkiya is very special. The next verse is describing. Parkiya bhave ati raser ullas vraj vina ihar anyatra nahi vas. And if you want to understand Parkiya, then you have to come to Vraj Bhumi. There is no other place where this Parkiya Bhav is except Braj. And Radha Kund, and Sham Kund are the topmost, the crest jewel of Parkiya Ras. Because here Radha and Krishna meet secretly. Nobody knows. This Radha Kund is the secret, personal Kund of Radharani. And the Leelas here are completely secret. Even Baldev, Sridham, and all those Sakhas, they wait near Govardhan, Gwalpokhar, like those sites. Krishna does not explicitly tell them where he is going. Krishna just slips away, keeping the cows and the cowherd boys with Balaram. Krishna just slips away. Krishna comes to Radha Kund. Imagine how confidential this Radha Kund Leela is. It is the height of Parkiya Ras. And in afternoon time there is no competition for Radhika. In the night, in the Ras Leela, sometimes there is competition. Chandravali takes Radha. But when Krishna comes to Radha Kund, there is no competition. Because Krishna is so attracted to Radha Kund that he does not go anywhere else. He comes directly here at 10:48 every day. So, this Madhyan Leela is the height of Parkiya Ras. Vrajavadhu Ganerai Bhava Niravadhi Taro Madhye Shri Radhaya Bhava Avadhi. And all the gopis have this Parkiya Bhav constantly, day and night. They remember this Parkiya Bhav. And among the Vrajavadhus, Shri Radha's Bhav is the highest, the limit of Parkiya Bhav. Praudha Nirmalo Bhav Prema Sarvottam Krishna Ramadhurya Ras Aswado Karon. Mukund, Yara Bund the sloka. Her pure, mature love surpasses that of all others. Her love is the cause of Lord Krishna tasting the sweetness of the conjugal relationship. In the Ras Leela, when Radhika left, Krishna also left. Because the Adiruddha Madanakhya Mahabhav of Radharani gives happiness to Krishna. Without Radhika, billions of gopis cannot give happiness to Krishna. Because all the gopis are basically Radharani's Kaya Vyuha. In the Jaiva Dharma it is described. They are basically Radharani's Kaya Vyuhas. So without Radharani they have no separate existence. They cannot give that kind of fulfillment to Krishna which Radharani can give. অতএব সেই ভাব অঙ্গীকার করি সাধিলেন নিজ বাঞ্ছা গৌরাঙ্গ শ্রী হরি. I wish all of you should learn Bengali. It is so sweet. You cannot explain a word in English. Impossible. Sadhilena, sadhilena, nija vancha, gauranga Shri Hari. Sadhilena means, I can't explain in English. Shri Gaurasundar seeked out. He fulfilled his internal desire. Fulfilled is not the right word actually, but still closest. Fulfilled his internal desire by accepting Radha Bhav. Because Radha Bhav includes all bhavs. Radha's prem is Prauda. Praudam is the most mature of all the gopis. Nirmal, most pure, and prem Sarvottam and the highest. So, Krishna can experience this Parkiya Bhav himself by accepting Radha Bhav. It is very, very surprising that Radhika and Krishna are dui tanu ek pran, but still Krishna is astonished by Radhika's love. And even though Krishna is in close proximity with Radhika, he still is wondering. The more he associates with Radha, the more he wonders, the more his greed increases to understand the love of Radha. Shri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidrisho. Oh, what? What is this glories of this Radha Pranaya? Radha's love. Oh, when I associate with Radhika, I see that Radhika is enjoying a happiness 10 million times more than myself. What is this happiness? I want to understand this happiness. Oh, even I cannot understand my beauty. When I see my own reflection, I become attracted. But Radhika captures my beauty. Even though my beauty is expanding at every moment, still Radhika can relish my beauty in its full extent. What is this? How does Radhika relish my beauty? Mother, Anubhavtaha. How does Radhika experience me? How does Radhika experience me? I want to experience that. What a beautiful. This is the highest secret. This secret can only be revealed by Radhika's Nija John, Radhika's confidential associates like Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Otherwise, this secret, like Chandidas and Vidyapati also, they wrote Rai Kanu's Geets, and Mahaprabhu was remembering them in Gambhira, but nobody can go up to this level, which Krishnadas Kaviraj, when Bhaktivinoda Thakur had a desire to preach to the 6 Sandarbhas of Jiva Goswami, at that time he thought the 6 Sandarbhas are the essence of Krishna Tattva, and all the 6 Sandarbhas and all the knowledge of the Goswamis is given by the essence. The essence is given in Chaitanya Charitamrita by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. That is why another name for Krishnadas Kaviraj, they also call him the Saptam Goswami. And then Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Jaiva Dharma, he spoke about Rasa Tattva. So among his followers, we all of us call him the Ashtam Goswami. He summarized the knowledge. So I personally prefer to read in Bengali more than Sanskrit, because Bengali is a gift, special gift. In the Chaitanya Bhagavat, it is mentioned that Bengali is the eternal language in Goloka, in Navadvip. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, in fact, he says that nobody can go to Goloka without learning Bengali. Don't ask me why. You have to enter Krishna Leela via Gaur Leela, and you cannot enter Gaur Leela without knowing Bengali. you have to relish the original verses. Reading in English, Chaitanya Charitamrita is a good thing, but reading in Bengali gives you the real bhakti. So, to confirm this shlok, he is quoting from Stavamala of Rupa Goswami. So, Krishnadas was such a scholar that he knew where the Goswamis had written different things. So he was taking from Rupa Goswami, Jeev Goswami, Kavi Karnapur's Chaitanya Chandrodaya Natak, and he used to quote from different sources, Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, to establish Chaitanya Charitamrita as the most authentic of all scriptures. Sureshanam Durgam Gati Atishayopanishadam Muninam Sarasvam Pranata Patalinam Madhurima Viniryasa Premno Nikhila Pashu Palambujadrisham Sachaitanya Kimme Punarapi Drishoryasti Padam. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the shelter of the goal of the Upanishads and be all and the end all of the great sages, the beautiful shelter of his devotees and the essence of love for the lotus-eyed gopis. Will he again become the object of my vision? Rupa Goswami is writing this in Stavamala. Another verse. Aparam kasyapi pranay jana vrindasya kutuki rasastomam ritva maduram upabhoktum kamapiya rucham swam avare dyutim iha tadiyam prakatayan na devas chaitanya kritir atitaram na kripayatu. Lord Krishna desired to taste the limitless nectarian mellows of the love of one of the multitude of the loving damsels known as Sri Radha, and so he has assumed the form of Lord Gauranga. He has tasted that love while hiding his own dark complexion with her effulgent yellow color. May that Lord Chaitanya confer upon us his grace. It's a beautiful Radha Bhavadyuti Suvalitam Naomi Krishna Swaru Antarbahi Antar Krishnam Bahir Gauram Darshitangadi Vaibhavam. When Ramananda Rai met Gaur Sundar in Rajmandri, Gaur Sundar, Gauranga could not hide his Shama Sundar form from Ramananda Rai. Ramananda Rai said, "You are golden, but inside I can see your Sham Varna. Your eyebrows are dancing. I can see that." He could not hide from Ramananda Rai because he is Antar Krishnam Bahir Gauram. He is Sham inside and outside he is Gaur. So for his pure devotees he cannot hide. They understand that he is Krishna with the golden complexion or the mood of Radhika. The complexion of Radhika is golden because that is the color of Mahabhav. The golden color is of Madanakya Mahabhav. So when he accepted Radharani's complexion, actually he accepted Radharani's bhav. Because that is a color. The color and the bhav are non-different. भाव ग्रहणेर हेतु कैल धर्म स्थापन तारा मुख्य हेतु कही सुनो सर्वजन. Internally he wanted to relish Radha bhav, but externally he established the Yuga dharma of Nama Sankirtan, because that time had come simultaneously. So he established that Yuga Dharma. But internally he wanted to relish Radha Bhav. And that is the primary purpose of his descent. I am telling you, Krishnadas Kaviraj says, please listen attentive. Mula hetu age shlokena kail abhas ebe kahi shleshro artha prakash. Before I gave only hints about one verse. Now I will explain this verse in detail. Radha Krishna Pranay Vikritir Ladinir Shakti Rasmat Ekatmanam api bhui bhurade abhedam gatam Chaitanakyam pragatam madhuna Chaikyamaptam Radha Bhava Dyuti Sualitam Naumi Krishna Swaram. That's why when Narad Muni saw Gaur Sundara's form in Golok, Narad Muni said, I don't even want to see Krishna's form. Show me again, show me again. Krishna said, no. You go to this world and announce that I am coming. You do my seva first, then you come back. Then you will see this form again. If somebody sees the form of Gaur Sundar, then Krishna's form is included. The beauty of Krishna's form is included in that form. Radha and Krishna's form, the beauty of both the forms are included. So, it's like a whirl, the golden whirl of a lotus flower. His form is very, very beautiful. And Chaitanakyam Pragatam. Radha and Krishna became two for Leela, and again the Leela reached such a climax that they again wanted to become one. In the Swapna Vilasamrit, Radhika, when she sees Gaur Sundar, she tells to Krishna, oh Krishna, who is this? Who is this young man dancing on the bank of the river? Krishna shows to Radha, Gaur Swarup. Is this young man me? I think he is me. Is this young man you? I think he is you. I don't know. Tell me. Because of this exquisite combination, Radha Bhava Dyuti Suvalitam. Suvalitam means adorned, decorated. Means Krishna becomes decorated with Radha's golden complexion. And I offer my obeisances, Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Basically he is Krishna, but he is decorated with Radha Bhav. So he is not in Krishna's Purush Bhav, but he is in Radharani's Bhav. When he looks at Jagannath, he looks with the Bhav of Radhika. And he is searching for Krishna. Whereas Jagannath has opened his eyes wide, Jagannath is searching for Radha. See the beautiful combination of the Leelas in Nilachal Dham. Radha Krishna Ekatma Dui Deho Dhari Anyonne Vilase Raso आस्वादन करी। राधा कृष्ण आर एक आत्मा, one soul, but two bodies, दुई देह धरी। अन्योन्य विलसे, they are enjoying each other. रसवास्वादन करी। Even the form of Radha Kund and Sham Kund, they are enjoying with each other. 24 hours. They are uniting with each other. Don't consider Radha Kund and Sham Kund as only water. It's not only water. They are Sakshat. Radha Sham. Radhe Sham. 24 hours they are Sakshat. If you have the eyes with Premanjana, then you can see. One will never become tired of seeing Radha Kund. One will never become tired of looking at Sham Kund. If we have the loving eyes, we can see them 24 hours. We can hear their conversation. We can feel their qualities. সে দুই এক হবে চৈতন্য গোসাই রস আস্বাদিতে দোনে হইল এক কথা। সে দুই হবে এক চৈতন্য গোসাই, the giver of all hope. Radha and Krishna became one. Rasa aswadite. They were relishing rasa when they were two. But to relish some particular rasas, they became one. Ekathai. They came in one body again. इथि लागी आगे करी तार विवरण जहा होते है गौरेरो महिमा कथन. I will describe this in detail in such so that the glories of Gauranga Mahaprabhu are established. The internal glories are established in this world. But to understand Gauranga, you have to understand Radharani. You have to understand Radha's prema, Radha's pranay. Otherwise, you can't understand Gauranga. Radhikaro hoina Krishna pranay vikar Swarup Shakti Ladini Naam Jaha. Radhika is known as Krishna's Swarup Shakti or his Ladini Shakti and or his Pranay Vikar. There are many names which you can call Radhika. Her only purpose is to give happiness to Krishna by relishing Krishna Prem. Ladini Karai Krishna आनंदास्वादम लादिनी द्वारा करे कृष्ण करे भक्तेर पोषण. Ladini's main purpose is to give make Krishna relish happiness, and with the help of Ladini, only the Ladini is the main support for Krishna to nourish his own devotees. Without Radhika, we cannot serve Krishna. At a particular stage, Nityananda Balaram, he hands over the jivas to Radhika. First we need the mercy of Nityananda Balaram. Heno Nitai Vinay Bhai, Radha Krishna Paite Nai. Without Nitai, you cannot go to Radha Krishna. And after a particular stage, Nitai hands us over to Radharani. And Radhika actually nourishes the Ladini Shakti. The purpose is to nourish Krishna's devotees. That is why all the gopis, the Sakhis of Radhika, they are all like her twigs and leaves of the creeper of Radha. So when Radha is nourished by Krishna's association, the creepers are nourished by Krishna's association. They become happy. Even when Krishna is not there, but if Radha becomes happy for some reason, then the Sakhis become happy. Their happiness is not dependent on Krishna. Their happiness is dependent on Radhika. Because Radhika is the personality who nourishes the devotees. Satchidananda Purna Krishnera Swarup Ekai Chit Shakti Tanra Dhare Tinaru. Satchidananda, Satchid and Ananda, that is the Krishna Swarup. It is only one Shakti, the internal potency, the Chit Shakti, but it manifests in three forms. Anandamshe Ladini, Sadamshe Sandini, Chidamshe Samvit Jaragyane Korimani. Ladini Sandini Samvit Trai Eka Sarva Samstito Ladtap Kari Mishra Taino Gunavarjite. Ladini is the manifestation of Ananda. Sat is the manifestation of Sandini. And Samvit means knowledge. So Ladini is Radhika, Sandini is Baldev, and Samvit is Krishna himself. The dham on which we are sitting, this dham is Sandini, is Baldev, expansion of Krishna. So these three energies are the basis of all things. Sarva samstito, everything is residing in these three things. But when they come in the material world, they become transformed. Lad tap kari mishra tvaino gunavarjite. In the material modes, the sattva guna, rajo guna and tamo guna, they become deformed. We get the three modes of material nature. So we have to get out of these three modes, and we have to go into the pure Ladini, the pure Sandini and Samvit. Sandini Sara Amsha Shuddha Sattva Nam Bhagwanero Satta Hoye Jaha Te Vishram. Sandini is also known as Shuddha Sattva, Vishuddha Sattva, the mode of pure goodness, the fourth, the Turiya Avastha. And that is the Golok Vrindavan. Krishna's existence rests on Sandini. Without the Dham, Krishna cannot perform his Leela. Without the existence of the spiritual world, it cannot be Leela. So Sandini is the basis. Bhagavanero Satta. The Satta means the authority. The authority of Krishna depends on the Sandini Shakti. Mata Pita Sthana Griha Shayasanar Esava Krishnero Shuddha Sattve Vikar. Krishna's mother, Krishna's father, Krishna's abode, Krishna's home, Krishna's bedding, Krishna's seats, everything is the manifestation, the transformation. You can say Vikar means the transformation of the Sandini Shakti. So this is confirmed in the Bhagavatam in the 4th canto, 3rd chapter, 23rd verse. when Daksha became angry because Shiva did not offer pranam to Daksha. So it is said, Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam Yadi Yate Tatra Pumana Pavrita Sattve cha tasmin Bhagavan Vasudevo Yadokshajame Manasa Vidhiyate. The condition of pure goodness in which the Supreme Personality of Godhead appears uncovered is called Vasudev. In that pure state, the Supreme Godhead, who is beyond the material senses and who is known as Vasudev, is perceived by my mind. Lord Shiva is always meditating on Vasudev in the mode of pure goodness. That is why he does not have to offer obeisances to any soul separately. He is offering obeisances to Krishna at every moment because he is in Vishuddha Sattva. Krishnero Bhagavatta Gyan Samvitera Sar Brahma Gyanadiko Sabtar Parivar. To understand the godliness of Krishna means the tattva about how great Krishna is, what is Brahma, what is Paramatma, what is Bhagavan, what is these three Purusha avatars, what are the Chaturvyuhas. This is all Samvit Gyan, Samvit Shakti. The Samvit Gyan means to understand the Krishna Tattva. Sar, it is the essence of Samvit. Ladinira Sara Prem, Prema Sara Bhav, Bhava Parama Kashta, Nama Mahabhav. And Ladini, finally, the essence of Ladini is Prem. And the essence of Prem is Bhav. And the essence of Bhav is Mahabhav. You can understand the position of Radhika. This is my favorite verse. One of my favorites. Mahabhava Swarupa Shri Radha Thakurani Sarvaguna Khani Krishna Kanta Shiromani. Shri Radha Thakurani is the embodiment of Mahabhav. Personification of Mahabhav. Sarva Guna Khani, she is the mine. Khani means mine. A mine of all transcendental qualities. And she is the topmost among all the consorts of Krishna in the spiritual world. That is confirmed in Ujjwal Nilmani by Rupa Goswami. Tayorapi ubayor madhye Radhika sarvathadhika Mahabhava swarupeyam Gunairatra varishyasi. Of the two gopis, Radharani and Chandravali, Srimati Radharani is superior in all respects. She is the embodiment of Mahabhav and she surpasses all in good qualities. Krishna premo bhavita jaro chittendriya kai Krishna nija shakti radha Kridarasaha. Radharani's mind and her senses and her body are steeped, are full, inundated with love for Krishna at every moment. Chittendriya Kai, her body also. Kai means body. her senses, her mind, it is always floating in Krishna Prem. And sees the own Krishna's internal energy who has manifested to assist Krishna in his Leela. So tomorrow we will see what are the different manifestations of Radhika, what are the expansions of Radhika. Krishnadas Kaviraj will elaborate on this tattva and explain about Radhika's different expansions. Because without understanding Radhika, we cannot understand Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Any questions? Yeah, of course. Veera Duti Gopi, his name was Shivananda Sen in Krishna Leela. Veera Duti, Sanket Gopi. If you have gone to Sanketwan, you will understand. And he was chanting Gauranga, Gauranga, Gauranga. He was chanting Gauranga Naam and he was meditating on Radha Krishna's Leela. Gauranga Naam is full with Radha Krishna's Leela. So you can meditate on the banks of Radha Kund on Gauranga Naam also. That's what I am saying. Nityananda also you can meditate. His Baitak is here. Nityananda Prabhu's Baitak. Janva Mata's Baitak. Sometimes I have that realization. The name of Nityananda transforms into a name of Krishna. Like Krishna playing in the water with the gopis. Then also his name becomes Nityananda. He is enjoying the Radha Kund Leela with the gopis. So there are different meanings of each name. Of course, Nityananda is our Aradhya, Sevak, Bhagwan, Baldev, Balram. So, Gauranga's name you should chant in Tamaltala and Nityananda's name you should chant in the Nityananda Baitak, and Harinam you should chant on the Manas Pavan Ghat and the Janva Mata Ghat. There are many different ghats in the Rasvadi Ghat, Sangam Ghat, Shringar Ghat, Julan Ghat, Go Ghat, Gopal Ghat. So many ghats are there. You can sit on any ghat. Like when Gauranga Mahaprabhu went to Jamuna, he took bath in all the 24 ghats. In Vishram Ghat, there are 12 ghats to the north, 12 to the south. So he took bath in every ghat. So you can take bath in each ghat in Radha Kund. And you can, after taking bath, you get a different prem. You get a different rasa. Taking bath in each ghat. And then you can chant. Especially in the afternoon, you should do that. 10:48 to 3:36. The Madhyan Snan of Radha Kund is the most powerful of all the snans. Because in the afternoon, even Radha Krishna are inside the water. In the Nitya Leela. So, try to be there when they are there. Then perhaps you may see them one day. Yes.
Very nice hearing your class, Maharaj. And this is not a criticism.
Yes, no.
I heard a really powerful class by Gaur Govinda Maharaj
Yes.
ago. And because you were discussing this point about Mahaprabhu accepting the Bhav and Kanti,
Yes.
Srimati Radhika, is we do not want to disturb the mood of Gaur. Saying
Right.
heavily in this class. So he says, no peacock feather
Right.
on Mahaprabhu.
Right.
You don't need any, for 2 days he drove this point.
Right. Yes, I have written an article on this also. In Chaitanya Bhagavat, when Gaur Nityananda were sitting in Murari Angan and Murari Gupta offered his dandavats, he didn't know, he offered his dandavats first to Gaur Sundar, then he offered to Nityananda. So Gaur Sundar said, I will teach you. So when he went and slept in the dream, in his vision, he saw Nitai Gaur with peacock feather. In Chaitanya Bhagavad that is described. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is mentioned that Gaur Sundar has three moods. One is internal mood, one is intermediate mood, then other is a mood when external mood. So he showed his six-handed form to Nityananda Prabhu and to Sarvam Bhattacharya 2 different times. In Mayapur, in Srivasangan, he showed his form of Shankha Chakra Gada Padma and with a flute. There was a peacock feather in that form. Then he showed his form of Ram, Krishna and Gaura to Sarvam Bhattacharya. Again there was a peacock feather in that form. So the thing is, even though he is in the mood of Radhika, he cannot hide his Bhagavatta. He is being Krishna. He is Krishna. He comes in the mood of Ram and he takes the that thing and he starts. So when he comes in a particular mood, when he comes in the form of Balaram, some devotees saw him with plow and club. Having his plow and club in his hand. So it's based on different moods. Like Gaur Govind Maharaj had this Nilachal Bhav, this Bhav of Puri. And in Puri Bhav, Krishna, Gauranga experiences this Radhika's Bhav in separation. But in Navdeep Bhav, in his Nitya Bhav, he is exhibiting his Bhav, his mood as Krishna. Sometimes he stands in the Sham Sundara form in Srivasangan while dancing, Then he asks the devotees, how am I looking? Yeah, the devotees say, oh, you are looking like Sham Sundar. Even they put a peacock feather on him. So, it is not hard and fast. You can't... all his moods are transcendental. He can exhibit any mood because he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he has exhibited those moods of even... when he was a small child, he was telling the Brahmanas, why are you worshipping Narayan? I am Krishna. He used to steal their clothes. He used to pull their legs and say, I am Krishna. So that also is his mood. It is bona fide mood of being Krishna. So, and plus Murari Gupta saw him with the peacock feather. So, Prabhupada also, Swami Prabhupada, he wrote in his letter that you can put peacock feathers on Nitai Gaur. There is a letter, somebody asked him. So, both are perfect. In his mood, Gaur Govind Maharaj is perfectly correct. Like, because he is in Radhika's Bhav, you should not. And those devotees who worship him as Gaura Bhagwan, they are also correct. Any other questions? Yes.
So, are the monkeys capable of experiencing the Mahabharatanatyam Mahabhav? Or, because it said that no living entity can.
The Manjaris don't have any separate existence without Radhika. They are the leaves and the twigs of Radhika's creeper. So they don't have so often like Anga Sanga with Krishna like Radhika has. So their happiness is based on Radhika's happiness. And whatever Radhika experiences, they experience. In Chaitanya Charitamrita will come in the later, in this chapter that Krishna, Radhika experiences 10 million times more happiness than Krishna, and the Sakhis also experience 10 million times more happiness than Krishna. So, there is no limit to which Radharani's confidence can experience. In fact, sometimes there is more happiness in actually seeing the conjugal pastimes of Radha Krishna than actually being a lover of Krishna yourself. You know, it's very high. We cannot give a mundane example, but that happiness is unique. And certainly there is one verse we were discussing there in Brajmohan's house. There is one verse in the Antilila which says that the twigs and the creepers experience even a higher happiness than the creeper itself. So they relish everything what Radha relishes. In fact, Manjari, Jari means reflection. Man means mind. So they are complete reflections of Radha's mind. It's like there is nothing which Radha does not experience which they don't experience. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu there are Leelas which are mentioned then. Radharani asked Krishna for a mirror. Krishna says, why do you need a mirror? Look at the face of a Manjari. You can understand your own bhavs. Because whatever you are experiencing, Manjari is also experiencing. Just look at the face of the Manjari and you can see. Yes. Yes. They are certainly attracted to Krishna, very much attracted to Krishna, but the happiness which they feel in Radha and Krishna's union, bringing Radha and Krishna together, serving Radha and Krishna that is 10 million times more than the happiness they would feel in associating with Krishna directly. So, which happiness they will take? Obviously, they will take the higher happiness. If I am getting higher happiness in something, then one will prefer that happiness. Another reason is that the Manjaris are little scared of Radhika. Being Radharani's Palya Dasis, the Manjaris don't want to upset Radhika, even in the small way. Because they are getting such a superior happiness in serving Radhika, they never want to lose this service. They don't want to compete with Radhika in any way, like the other Sakhis, the other Yuteshwaris sometimes compete with Radhika. They don't want that. They want to always be favorable to Radhika. They want to serve Radhika when Radha is in Man. They want to serve Radhika when Radha is alone with Krishna. And all this is possible. Radha's complete faith in the Manjaris is only possible if the Manjaris give up their own happiness with Krishna. If they become selfless. And being a 12-year-old, being younger, they don't have that kind of desires like the Sakhis do. The Sakhis directly associate with Krishna. The Manjaris that's why their age is around 12 years, because that is a perfect age to become Palya Dasis. Palya Dasis means Radharani's personal maid servants. Yes. Jaya Jaya Radha Krishna Yugala Milan. You should sing that Aarti after Gaur Aarti. It's Radha Krishna's Yugal Aarti. Nityananda Prabhu's aartis are also there. Nityananda Prabhu's. It's a strange question. You can chant Nityananda Prabhu's name. It's no problem. Nityananda Prabhu's name is there in the Gaur Aarti. Chamara, Dulai and Chhatra. Nityananda Prabhu is Dakhine Nitai Chand. He's standing on the right side. Gaurang. So when you remember Gaura, when you remember the Panchatattva, Nityananda Prabhu is already there. So thank you very much. In the evening from 4 o'clock we will have Krishna Leela, Harinam Chintamani. Thank you very much. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrit ki jai.